Hello, students. Today, we're diving into two very exciting and fundamental concepts in science, motion, and types of motion in force and types of force. These topics are essential because they explain how objects move and interact around us. Understanding them will help us make sense of everything from the way vehicles move to why we can lift objects or throw a ball. Let's explore these ideas step by step. Chapter 1. Motion and types of motion. First up, what exactly is motion? Let's start with the basics. Motion is the change in the position of an object over time. If something moves from one place to another or changes its position relative to a reference point, it is said to be in motion. For example, if you see a car moving on the road, that car is changing its position over time and is in motion. If you place a ball on a table and it doesn't move, the ball is at rest. Motion and rest depend on a reference point, how we view the object. Now let's look at the different types of motion that objects can have. Let's break them down. Rectilinear motion. When an object moves in a straight line, like a car moving along a straight road, it is said to be in rectilinear motion. Circular motion. This is when an object moves in a circular path. For example, the hands of a clock move in a circular motion, going around the clock face. Periodic motion. Periodic motion is any motion that repeats itself after a regular interval of time. Examples include a swing moving back and forth or a pendulum on a clock. Rotational motion. Rotational motion occurs when an object spins or rotates around its own axis, such as Earth spinning on its axis or a top spinning. By identifying these types of motion in our surroundings, we can better understand how different objects move and interact. Engineers, scientists, and inventors often analyze types of motion to design better vehicles, machines, and even toys. So, to summarize motion, it's the change in position of an object over time. The main types of motion include rectilinear, straight line, circular, round path, periodic, repeating, and rotational, spinning around an axis. Understanding these helps us see how objects behave in real life. And that's it for now. In the next part, we'll discuss forces and how they affect motion, so stay tuned and keep those curious minds active. Catch you later.